Hi, my name is David Timothy. This is this feature part consists of me giving change back to the user if they enter amount of 20 cents and they select candy. Unfortunately, I was unable to show it in a certain denomination. However, it just gives nickel change back. So let me demonstrate to you what I mean. So, and the light that corresponds to that is U16. So that will pretty much give change back, but it won't give in a certain denomination. So let's get started. I'm gonna enter a nickel. Should show state one. I'm gonna enter a dime. Should be state three. 1 1. I'm gonna enter another nickel. So it should be state 4 1 0 0. And then once I get there, 1 0 0. And once I get there, I'm gonna select candy. Alright, events the item, and then it says 9 up. Thank you for watching.